Okay, so another reviewer for civil service exam. So how many 3/4 are there in 9? So on choices 12, 16, 18, 21, and 27. So anong operation ba ang ibig sabihin nito? How many 3/4? How many 3/4 are there in 9? So ang ibig sabihin lang niyan ay division. Kasi tinatanong natin no? How many 3/4? So division of fraction lang ito. How many 3/4 are there in 9? So para malaman natin kung ilang 3/4 meron sa 9, i-divide lang natin. So we have 9 divided by 3/4. Okay? So ano yung rule natin kapag nag-divide tayo ng fraction? So di ba ang rule natin, if we have A over B divided by C over D, ang rule natin, kopyahin yung first fraction, A over B, change natin yung operation to multiplication, tapos pagpapalitin natin ito. Okay? So reciprocal, we have D over C. So i-apply natin yung rule na yan. Etong 9, pwede natin lagyan ng 1 yan. Pwede lagyan nyo ng 1, pwedeng hindi na. Okay? So depende sa inyo yan. So copyin lang natin yan. So we have 9 over 1. Yung divide, palitan natin ng multiplication. Tapos pagpalitin natin itong dalawa. So magiging siyang 4 over 3. So ngayon, i-multiply na natin. Pwedeng i-multiply nyo directly, maliit lang naman yung number. Pwede rin namang mag-cancel kayo. Okay, so pag multiply directly, 9 divided by 9 times 4 is 36. Over 1 times 3, we have 3. Tsaka natin i-divide 36 divided by 3. That is equal to 12. Okay, so the answer is letter A. Or pwede mag-cancellation law kayo. Itong 9 divided by 3, i-divide nyo na agad. So maka-cancel na yan. 3 na ito. Itong ilalim ay 1. And then, tsaka natin i-multiply 3 times 4, we have 12. Over 1 times 1 is 1. So, syempre, 12 over 1, that is 12. So, same answer, letter A. Okay, so I hope nakatulong ang video na ito. So, kung may math question kayo, i-comment nyo lang dito or i-PM nyo ako sa aking messenger, RD Enseñado. So, kita-kita tayo sa mga marami pang civil service exam reviewer. Bye!